Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch, or rather smartband, from the iPhone. First we need to open the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. Actually, let me reopen it like this. And once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon to open the devices page, and on this page you should see list of devices, and on it you should see your Huawei Band 9. Tap on it to select it. Now you should see the device page for your smartband. Once you see it, find the more options icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, then tap on Unpair device and tap on Unpair. Now we can minimize the Huawei Health app, open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see the Huawei Band 9 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device. Once you do, close the settings, go back to Huawei Health app, check this box, tap on OK, and the smartband will be removed from the list of devices. And that's how you unpair this smartband from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.